What's boppin' Jimbos? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to reality. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes Rabbity. We have a car and we have a parts. A lot of parts. So we're gonna whip these out real quick. Oh, you wanna carry this in?
Turbski? Little snail?
Turbski, yeah, that's for sledding at night. This is a downpipe. It's for golfing. We got a little miscellaneous box here.
Is this for the air intake and stuff?
The charge pipes are in there. Where do we even start, bro? Where do we even start? We have a bunch of parts here. So the Golf is going stage 2 with the IS20. So we got a 1.8 with the IS12. It's going IS20 with the GTI fuel pump. And here we have a catless downpipe from CTS Turbo right here. And then we have like turbo blanket, coil packs, spark plugs, and then some gaskets and stuff for all the other spark plugs for the turbo and stuff. And then this is a new spring for the blow valve. And we got the ECS charge pipe. So we're gonna install all that hopefully today and tomorrow. It might be in separate parts, so you might see things a couple times, we'll see, but we're gonna go ahead and start with the coil pack. They say it's best to take off your coil packs when the car is warm, so we're gonna start it, get it operating temps, and then yank the old ones out, but we're gonna actually leave them out because you have to leave them out for the turbo to clear, so we're gonna do the spark plugs. In here, we're gonna start by gapping them, seeing what they're at, taking stuff out of the car, and then putting them in. I wanted to take a picture of all the parts laid out. That'd be sick. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
We're actually gonna, we're not putting this on for a while, but
Give me a little sound clip.
this is a Golf, so it's gonna go. That's actually pretty good, right?
I think that's spot on.
Got some nice spit in the down. Turbo's gonna like that. Alright, we gapping these spark plugs. Alright, we're letting her warm up. Gonna rip this off. The reason why you do it warm is because if it's cold, these could be like kind of stuck in there, you know? First, we're gonna have to take these off. What size is that? Like 10? These are some 10 mils. Oh, why is the wires tripping on the Zanny bar, dude?
Here, let me get another one to go under.
Yeah. Step 1 already faced a little problem. 20k miles and that fucking dude, it was like a gummy bear, like just melted right off. So luckily this guy knows wiring stuff and we're here, so we're gonna get that fixed up, but then we're just taking the others off. We had to make a weapon that looks like, so show the other side, it's like titanium, bro. So he had to grind that down so it fit under the ground bolt. So while he's crimping that like a crip, we're gonna take this off real quick. Since this car's warm, these should just, no way, it's that easy. Fuck a tool, dude. You have to like buy tools and stuff. What's going on here?
Down up. Just this piece off, so we have exposed wire, so that we can put
that on
this on it, so we have a new one of these.
Yeah, you almost got it. Without the coil packs, you get a real good look at the block. Look at that. I've never seen it like all these parts, to be honest. Spark plugs are all the way in there. Hope we don't drop anything.
Alright, we're gonna slip this Jimmy in one of these holes and get the spark plugs.
Dude, this reminds me of engine class. Did I already get it? Oh, awesome. There we go.
There she is. Let's see that gap. You want to measure the gap? How many miles are on these spark plugs that we just took out?
They should be about 20,000. Not even reselling, you know what I'm saying? Get that cash up. No way, dude. These are perfection. Look at that. They're about 0.024.
Alright, we got 3 more to go. Alrighty, there's 2.
Old spark plug. Before I do this, actually, since I'm gonna lube them up, I'm gonna put some gloves on.
He would.
Alright. Smells nice. So these are gapped to 0.24. Incredibly, my stock ones are already there, which is like, sometimes they're not even there because they're usually like 0.26 or something. What I'm gonna do here is put some anti-seize. Don't touch that, of course. Just gonna grab a little here. Let's go ahead and put that on there. Oh, and they're magneted. It's set to 25 newton meters. Okay, it should click, right? When I tighten it. Woo!
This another spark plug breaking.
Satisfying. Yeah, I think so. It just blew up. One thing's on. Not for the haters. That was a lot, but it's okay. Should be enough. I don't know if that affects that. How's it going? Still? Still. No, you're a beast, dude. I don't know if I said it yet. These are NGK RS7 spark plugs. This will help with our tune once we're catless and turbo and all that. This will prevent like breaking up high end. Because with the spark plugs, they aren't really capable of what I'm about to do. So getting that lube on.
What do you rate Amy's?
I mean, that burger, like, good taste, but like, not enough. There's nothing in the mouth, man. I'm just chewing bread and fucking like lettuce.
And grass.
Ready? Let me get this. Let me get this.
Are you the grass-fed cow?
What?
Or is the cow grass-fed?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Get the grease on there.
Number 4. All right, now we're gonna get a first startup with the spark plugs in before we go to the
turbo. We're gonna start it after that. We're gonna raise her up, take the downpipe out, and drain the coolant.
Sounds fine.
Alrighty, little update. We just jacked up the car. Intake is off. Turbo elbow is off. Instead of connecting that little tube thing, I literally just unplugged it here. It's way easier. And then I was getting this off, but unfortunately, I actually think this bolt got stripped. So instead of dealing with that on the car, we're gonna take the turbo off and then try to take that blow valve off. If not, we might need to get a new bolt for it. What we're gonna do now is go ahead and take the downpipe off and then drain the coolant as well. Do I have to take my splash shield off? Probably. So all you gotta do right here is pull this temp sensor, grab it like that. I've never done this, guys. Please bear with us.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
All right, what you actually have to do is pull this green clip out all the way like that. And now I should be good to come out. Now that is out, if we undo this, we should see more coolant. Oh, there she blows. Oh, getting a little. All right, coolant out. Sorry, Enzo, I love you. Now we gotta take this out. I don't know if I should take it all the way out. I think it's fine like this, right? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna get the bottom bolts. So a little tight here, but these are the grommet things that hold the downpipe in. So there's 2 right here, 13 millimeters I'm taking off. There's gonna be 2 right here. We're gonna remove this real quick. I believe they're all 13s luckily, and then there's 2 more up there, and then the downpipe's off. Cracking these nuts. I know, I was wondering how the hell did I crack it with this little ass ratchet? I don't know, doing more as fuck, bro. You wanna show them that? Thank God I haven't destroyed my oil pan, that's a blessing.
So that's actually the frame. JK.
Alright, downpipe is fully out. So now we're gonna get some miscellaneous things out. We're gonna get this line out. Get this pipe out. And we're getting the last bolt for the charge pipe out. While he does that, I'm gonna try to get the actuator. Got the actuator clip out right there.
Okay, so we finally got the charge pipe out. It's a bitch to get out.
It's just the bottom bolt. Everything else is alright. We're now taking off the dust shield. So there's a couple there. Took that one out. Try to take that out. That one come out. I'm gonna bolt it back in. But then that one too. There's one right here. And there's a few more in here. So you can see the downpipe bracket. Look how fucking horrible that is. I don't think we reuse that. If I can, I'm gonna take that out because, you know, weight reduction. Last heat shield bolt, I repeat. I think this is the bolt for the line too. Oh, that's interesting. I'm getting this is the feed line actually. When the turbo gets fully installed, that's the place where we put the oil in. So now we're doing the next triple square. I can't get on. This is what we're gonna have to do right here.
That's an interesting idea.
Is it in? Fuck. Alright, so that bolt right there is loose. Couldn't get anything to fit on it, so we had to use this bit. It was turned all the way. I literally used it as a wrench. Now to see if we can get it out. But we got that bolt out. Now we gotta shimmy this out of the way. Alright, with the poppin' Jimbos, we're back at it. Day 2, the next morning, of course. Enzo's actually at work, so I'm here alone for now. Some boys are coming, but I'm gonna continue where we left off. So, alright, before I get the bottom lines out, I'm gonna get this turbo bracket out, get out of my way. So the bottom bolt is, in fact, a 13. This is what I'm working with. This worked a lot better than the big wrench. Pretty loose already, so it's already wiggling around. I think it can be pulled off already, actually. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's completely out the way. Yep, there we go. Nice. I believe this is the coolant return. Use gloves. You have way more grip. They'll come out slow, but faster. Finally got this. So we still have the line off. I'm literally still twisting it off, but I managed to break this loose with this little shit. Literally so jank. I put this in here and then turn that, and obviously this is adjustable and this is tiny. So all right, we went to Home Depot, got these. Didn't have triple squares because you know, that one was fitting, so got a smaller one from Napa Auto Parts. We got the top one out finally. These are all of them here. So all we have is the bottom one. Oh, also we gotta pull this off now, actually, back here. Oh my god, we have a serious problem. We have a serious problem. Where is that coming from? I think the oil line is bleeding. I think it's on fire, guys. What do we do? So we actually just loosened the turbo bolts so we can try to get access to the last one. We undid that one, the coolant return, but it's kind of stuck on. But I mean, we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna go take this off real quick so I can take another bolt. Loosen the turbo, you see her rocking there. So I'm gonna go down there. The lighting is booty. I can see good, but the lighting's booty. That's a turbski right there. If you see the line, it's right there. Right behind the actuator. You're definitely gonna have to loosen the turbo to gain access to it, so keep note of that. All right, we just took the last bolt out for the oil return. We actually use a Torx bit and this on the end of it, so finally got it out. Let's go. That line's still stuck in, but I think you can shimmy out.
All bolts are out.
Oh shit. Yep, there we go. There we go, gasket off. Let's chill.
Okay, fine.
Sam, did the other hose come out? They're not bolted, but they're not coming out. This is 20K miles, man. This thing should come out like rubber duckies. Yeah, you can put it back on the threads. All right, 1 second, boys. This is critical state. Dude, do you need glasses?
Safety glasses, bro.
Do you need the safeties? Yeah,
It's like half open.
pass them to my mans. So where's this clip you speak of? It's gonna be a little crooked, boys, but
Right here.
right there.
It's clipping onto this, which is holding coolant line in.
Oh, you're just gonna disconnect that.
Yeah, and when
Oh.
you pull it out with the turbo.
So this man just unplugged the plugger. Now we pull it out. What's the deal? Yeah, back it off the studs, and then you can pull it out. I don't know. Oh, nice. Pull out game strong. Who's hitting first? There's like 6 holes down there, dude.